Number 4. Sony ZV-1 Mark II. The Sony ZV-1 Mark II is the best compact vlogging camera on the market right now. The ultra-wide 18 to 50 mm zoom lens is perfect for capturing everything in the frame, while the large 1.0 type sensor ensures professional results even in low-light situations. The wide aperture f1.8 to f4.0 lens delivers beautifully defocused backgrounds, adding a cinematic touch to your videos. One of the standout features of the ZV-1 Mark II is the clear audio quality provided by the directional 3-capsule mic and windscreen accessory. Your viewers will appreciate the crisp and detailed sound, especially in noisy environments. The real-time autofocus tracking and IAF keep you in focus at all times, ensuring your footage is sharp and professional looking. What I love the most about the ZV-1 Mark II is the all-in-one design. You don't have to worry about changing lenses, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go vlogging. Plus, the vlog-friendly features like face priority metering and background defocus take your content to the next level without any extra effort. On the downside, the battery life and rear screen could be better. However, these are minor drawbacks compared to the camera's overall performance and features. If you're in the market for a compact vlogging camera that delivers outstanding video and audio quality, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II is the perfect choice for you. Check it out for yourself and see the difference it makes in your content creation process. Still searching for the perfect vlogging camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.